Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral from 3 to positive infinity of dx over s multiplied with the square root of s squared minus 9. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. Because we know that if we put number 3 in here, so you got about 3 squared minus 9 and you got about 0, so we cannot divide in here. Before we calculate this one, we need to find antiderivative of this one. So we can use about integration by trigonometric. Substitution. So we choose s equal to sec 3 sec t. So ds equal to 3 sec t tan t dt. So s to the power of 2 we change to 9 sec t squared. S we change for 3 sec t. ds we change for this one. Now we put number 9 outside, that's about number 3. Because the square root of number 9 is number 3, that's why we can put number 3 outside. We have sec t squared minus 1 equal to tan t squared. So the square root of tan t squared, you got about tan t. And now we need to simplify this one. 3 sec t tan t, we simplify 3 sec t tan t, you will got about 1 over 3 dt, and you got about 1 over 3 t plus c. About t, we need to convert this one. That should be about r sec s over 3. And now we can put number 3 and positive infinity. So we can separate them in here. So we know that the limit s approach to positive infinity of r sec s over 3, you will get about 1 over 3 multiplied with b over 2. About r sec 3 over 3, you will got number 0, and you got about b over 6. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.